Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Draft Resolution for Observer Status of ISA introduced. India introduced a draft resolution in the UN General Assembly for granting observer status for the ISA or International Solar Alliance. Observer status is a privilege granted by some organizations to non-members. This status enables the non-members to participate in the organization's activities, lack the ability to vote or propose resolutions. The granting of observer status to the ISA in the General Assembly would provide a well-defined cooperation between the Alliance and the United Nations. This cooperation would benefit global energy growth and development. It would enable the organization to provide targeted inputs to its research and its global knowledge sharing activities. The ISA was jointly launched by India and France in 2015 at the 21st Conference of Parties of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is COP21, held in Paris. ISA has strived to achieve its objectives by initiating thematic programs dedicated to the deployment of cross-cutting solar energy applications across multiple sectors. ISA has played an important role internationally in supporting the implementation of United Nations Framework Conventions on Climate Change. Intergovernmental organizations which received a standing invitation to participate as observers in the sessions and the work of the UNGA include European Union, Interpol, International Renewable Energy Agency, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, Asian Development Bank, etc. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.